Hello YouTubers. Today I bring to you a 1990 Wilderness Yukon 29 foot camper trailer. This was a newly renovated interior. It's got a new roof, AC that pumps out chilled air to the max. I'll throw in these little balls that are on this camper. Let me bring you inside, take a look. Has new tires. And inside we have one amazing and very comfortable, spacious queen bed with 2 bunks. Has stereo, AC, fully functional, propane gas. Has 2 tanks on the front. Nice bath with a full tub. Completely redone tub area. Everything was renovated inside, all freshened up. New cabinets, refaced cabinets. We'll even throw in the pillows. Beautiful. Again, it's a 29 foot camper by Fleetwood. Any questions, give it a shout. 802-578-9065. 802-366-0295. Thanks for looking.